I've got an amazing keto vegetarian pizza topping for you. Stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to Cook with Mel. If you're returning, welcome back. If you're new here, please do consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you know when we posted a new recipe. This keto vegetarian pizza topping is amazing. It looks great, as you guys can see, and you can achieve this with just a few ingredients. It serves 8, and I'm just gonna show you how to cut it up, and I'm gonna have a taste for you as well. You've got the crunch on the edges there. Oh, the smell is amazing because we've used Italian flavorings for this. And look at that, you get quite a large slice. Whoa. Oh my God. Yum. I promise you guys, this keto crust does not taste like diet food. It tastes like a regular. It's got crunch. It's thin, of course. And the topping, wow, it's just amazing. So now let's get into the recipe and I'll show you how to make it. Okay, we've got our pizza crust here, and here's the link if you haven't made yours yet. It only takes 3 minutes in the oven. And I'll show you, we're doing a vegetarian pizza. I'll show you what I've got here today. I'm using our zero carb marinara. There's a video for it that I made earlier, and this is mozzarella cheese, about a cup of mozzarella cheese. Here we've got cherry tomatoes, jalapenos, just a few slices. This is about 10 grams, and so is this, and this is Kalamata olives. About 8 to 10 slices of red onion sliced, and this is Gruyere cheese, 8 slices, and I'm going to use it just to demarcate, you know, how to cut the pizza. Spinach leaves, spring onion, and little bits, slices of red pepper. If you are using a store-bought marinara, you will need to track and watch the carbs, and do look at the back of the jar just to see, you know, if you can find a really low carb one. And now I'm going to just dollop a few spoons of marinara. Ends up being about half a cup onto my pizza base and spread. Okay, that's pretty even to me. Just cover up this bald bit. And now you're going to lay down your cheese. Whatever cheese you've chosen goes on now. Next layer of cheese. I'm just going to position olives, randomly all over the pizza so everyone gets a slice or a taste of it.
That is so not random.
And this is jalapenos, but you can use anything you like. And now some cherry tomatoes. And now for some red onion. Okay, and lastly we'll do our red pepper strips. Now add your seasonings. This is pepper. Now for some herbs, this is oregano, and you can use either dried mixed herbs or Italian seasoning. That goes really well on the pizza. And if you're not doing a butter chicken or something like that, this goes with everything. Lastly, some spinach leaves I should make it asymmetrical. One more. There we go. This is one pretty looking pizza. And now we're going to place it in the oven at the same degrees that we had it for our pizza crust, 425 Fahrenheit or 220 Celsius for, I would say, under 5 minutes, but it's just until your cheese melts. Look at this. Look at the edges are browned beautifully. Oh, it's amazing. We've got browning on the cheese. The spinach is perfect. It's not overcooked. And oh, the smell is just amazing. It's, you know, you've got olives, you've got your Italian seasoning. It's just, can't wait to tuck in.
Thanks for watching. Goodbye. We're going to eat it now.
I want to say it. Excuse the rush goodbye, but I just can't wait to tuck into my pizza. I hope you get to make it. It's so super easy as I've shown you. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and be well.